Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all my like base makeup routine or like face makeup, whatever. So you know, start with your face wash, and then I like to take the Marc Jacobs coconut, the coconut primer. I'd like to take some Sonia Kashuk, I don't really know what it's called, Radiant Boost face oil. And then I also like to take my Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. So I'll normally start with the oil. So take a little, and I just do like one push of that because a lot comes out and I really don't like too much oil on my face. And then I like to take the face base and just dab some of that. Lastly, I take the Marc Jacobs and just a little bit. I like to take my Luminous Silk Foundation from Giorgio Armani. So I'm gonna take one pump. Sorry, that's like two. That's supposed to be one. One pump on my forehead, one pump there. Actually, they're more like half pumps if we're gonna be honest, because, you know, basically, I just take a little bit everywhere like that. And I'm gonna take this. So then I'm just gonna take this and just, you know, buff in. Okay. So now that that's done, I like to take my Tarte, this is like what, the stick foundation? Yeah, the clay stick foundation in the color Fair Beige. And like, this is really light, and so I like to just put it under my eyes a little bit and like right there. Okay, so now that that's done, this is the best product ever. This is the e.l.f. like Face Lips Body Stick in the color Toasted, and it's like a coppery, it's so beautiful. It's like a shiny metallic-y copper colored thing, and I like to take this and I like to put a lot because it looks so good. So I'll just put that there, some on my forehead like that, a little bit there. And then I will take it on my nose, but I'll use a brush for that. And so we're gonna take this brush. This is the Trish McEvoy 96 Angled Shaper Brush. And alright. So then I take this Kat Von D contour brush and just the slightest little bit. Yes, I like to go back in with this and just highlight or sharpen up the lines a little bit. So like a little bit right there and a little bit right there. Just re-highlight those spots. I have way too dry of skin to put any like powders on, and so normally, you know, I'd set my under eyes, but I've been staying away from that just because it just makes everything look caked, and I'm not really a fan of that. So I will do powder highlight though, and I like this, but I just haven't really found like the right way to use it. It pulls up like my foundation, or I'll accidentally powder first and then you can't put it on top. So I haven't really quite found the right way to use it, but on just like naked skin it looks nice. Not naked skin, the foundation, on like bare skin. Okay, so then I don't really use this stuff ever, but I'm gonna use it for that video. So this is just the Urban Decay, what is this, all-nighter spray. So, hello? No, why won't it come out? What the? There we go. Okay, while that is still wet, I'm going to take this Sephora highlighter palette. I don't know if it's called something. Palette, illuminizing palette. And I'm just gonna take this fan brush. And I think we're going to dip in to a mixture of these two. And then whatever's, you know, just if I'm feeling like the forehead, I'll put some on. I'm gonna put some right here on my eyebrow bone. And then let's just put some up here, just a little bit. So then I like to take, you know, the mixture and put it in the inner corner a little bit, just a little, because I really don't like too much like inner highlight corner on me specifically. But yes, and then I will spray with the all-nighter spray, but I have to finish my under eyes a little bit and put some lipstick on. But I believe that is it for my face makeup routine, or like base makeup, whatever you want to call it. Let's zoom you in a little. So that's what my skin looks like. This side's a little bad. I got some little somethings right there. And then let's see how my forehead's doing. Yeah, my forehead's looking a little dry, but it's okay. That is the tutorial for my base makeup. I hope you enjoy. My next video, I plan on doing an eyelash haul. So yes, stay tuned. Watch my previous video. It was a college packing vlog. And be sure to check out my other videos. Bye guys. So yes, oh my god. That doesn't happen to everyone.